Why sunscreen is important for your skin. What is sunscreen? Sunscreen is a topical product designed to absorb or reflect some of the sun's UV radiation, protecting the skin from sunburn and other damage. What are the types of sunscreen? First type, physical or mineral sunscreens. These contain active mineral ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. They work by sitting on top of the skin to deflect and scatter damaging UV rays away from the skin. Second type, chemical sunscreens. These contain organic carbon-based compounds such as oxybenzone, avobenzone, octazolate, octocrylene, homosalate, and octinoxate. They work by absorbing UV radiation and transforming it into heat, which is then released from the skin. The science behind sunscreen. UV radiation. UVA rays. These rays penetrate deep into the dermis, the skin's thickest layer. Unprotected exposure can lead to premature aging and wrinkling, photoaging, and suppression of the immune system. UVB rays. These rays usually burn the superficial layers of your skin and play a key role in the development of skin cancer. UVC rays. These are the most dangerous, but the Earth's ozone layer blocks them completely. SPF sun protection factor. SPF measures how well a sunscreen can protect your skin from UVB rays. For instance, SPF 30 blocks approximately 97% of UVB rays, while SPF 50 blocks about 98%. No sunscreen can block 100% of UV rays. Benefits of using sunscreen. Sunblock prevents sunburn. Sunburn is caused by overexposure to UVB rays, resulting in inflammation, redness, and pain. Repeated sunburns significantly increase the risk of skin cancer. Sunscreen also reduces risk of skin cancer. Daily use of sunscreen can reduce the risk of squamous cell carcinoma (SCC) by about 40% and melanoma by 50%. Sunscreen also prevents premature aging. UVA rays contribute to the formation of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. By using sunscreen, you protect collagen, elastin, and keratin in your skin, which are essential for maintaining skin structure. Sunscreen maintains even skin tone. Sun damage can lead to discoloration and dark spots, also known as sunspots or liver spots. Sunscreen helps prevent these pigmentation issues, maintaining a more even skin tone. Common myths about sunscreen. Myth number 1. I don't need sunscreen on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds and still cause skin damage. Up to 80% of UV rays can pass through clouds, so sunscreen is necessary even on overcast days. Myth number 2. People with darker skin don't need sunscreen. While melanin does offer some protection, it's not enough to prevent skin damage or skin cancer. Darker skin tones are also susceptible to hyperpigmentation caused by UV exposure. Myth number 3. Sunscreen is only necessary at the beach. UV exposure happens everywhere while driving, walking, or even sitting near windows. Indoor lighting, especially fluorescent and halogen bulbs, can also emit low levels of UV radiation. How to choose right sunscreen. Always choose sunscreen with broad spectrum protection. Ensure your sunscreen protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Choose sunscreen with SPF of at least 30. This provides a good level of protection for everyday use. Choose sunscreen which have water resistance. If you're swimming or sweating, opt for water-resistant sunscreens. This also provides good level of protection from sun. Formulation of sunscreens. Choose a sunscreen that suits your skin type. Lotions for dry skin, gels for oily skin, and sprays for quick application. Consider fragrance-free options if you have sensitive skin. How to apply sunscreen. Quantity. Use about a shot glass full 1 ounce or 30 milliliters to cover your entire body. For the face alone, use a nickel-sized dollop. Timing. Apply sunscreen 15 minutes before going outdoors to allow it to absorb into your skin. Reapplication. Reapply every 2 hours, or immediately after swimming, sweating, or towel drying. Don't forget areas like your ears, back of your neck, and the tops of your feet. Layering. If you're using makeup or moisturizer, apply sunscreen first and let it fully absorb before applying other products. Sunscreen is a vital part of your daily skincare routine, offering protection against sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. By incorporating it into your daily habits, you're investing in the long-term health and appearance of your skin. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, then ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.